Hi guys, what's up? Russ Jones here, and today we're going to be unboxing some more parts for R4. Still. We're getting this one. We have some there. No, just a pile of shit. We have an emergency exercise. Funny enough, it's same seller, same item, but it's come differently. So, what I'm going to do is cut the red off the other ones because R4 didn't have red on them anyways. Being so, yeah. Look what this one is. Have a news. What? Right, shit. Okay, this is odd. So he sent me that. But I've also purchased some more, and they're the red ones. I think someone's made a mistake, but who cares? Unless they ran out. Or just sent me that one, so. Yeah, all it is emergency exercise. So here's one, front, back, nothing on the back. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, because R4 has 3 emergency exit tops. That's 3. That's complete. That's longer. I'll still keep it for my collection this week. Don't fit. Hang on, guys. Just gonna get the other one. Right then, guys. Today I'm going to show you some R4 5 parts, including this is going to be put at the end of the unboxing videos, and yeah, there'll be some I've just brought, including the emergency exit sign. I'll just pop the other one, which I'm not going to use for R4 because it's not the right one, but instead I'm going to stick it up in my room somewhere because it's only £1, so who gives a shit. And I'll show you the differences in a minute. So yeah, let's get into it, boys. Emergency sticker I'm on about, as you can see, it's like that, and it's a bit longer than all these. And for some reason, the seller's messed it up a bit. I brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there should be 6 of them, and he's accidentally put one of these in, so I'll have to buy one more from him. So yeah, it doesn't matter though. And also from the same seller was this rub rail thing. As you can see, it's a massive long rub rail for the luggage compartment because it's missing one. And I didn't break it this time. Here we have a Volvo B10M manual, service manual. I think it's the correct one. It's a B10M, so it should be. Show you a bit of the inside. It's a bit manky. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I got this from the Great Hardwood show where Mank Busters had his B10. I love if this was his service manual. Probably not. I think it's Great Hardwood. I can't remember. This came with R4 when I brought it, and I might use them to replace the one. I don't know if it's bent or not, but I'll keep them in R4 anyways because it's R4's thing. Next, this is some tape for the marker lights. Because yeah, one of them was cracked, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm still keeping it though. And the other was, yeah, missing. Don't know how. Next we have a brake light lens. Yes, I think I broke this one when I reversed it into the van. Then we have a headlight lens. I think I scratched this on one of the metal. The one that's on R4 still. Then we have this. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with it apart from it's got a ripped up first aid sign. But don't you worry, I've got 2 more. Obviously one for R4 and one for R5. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger, but you're not really going to see that. And it'll look better as well. So yeah, 2 first aid signs. We have a school bus sign for the back. Some little asshole ripped it, but you're not going to notice that because R4's back sign's a bit faded. Funny enough, these 2 little ones for the front came together, and I didn't have to pay for both. I just paid for Well, I did have to pay for both, but it come together, if you get what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to use this one for R4's front, and this one for R5's front, because as you see in the pictures on my computer, R5's is a little bit ripped. R4's is fine, but I'm still changing it because it's got a little bit of a split in it, like little cracks and stuff. Next we have a first aid kit, which I'm going to put behind this door. And another first aid kit's on its way, which I'll put, well, I'll show you when it comes up above the door where the compartment is. Then, I still need to show you the old reverse light, which I've still got some of it. Don't know what the hell happened to the rest. Just got incinerated. Next we have the cracked marker light, and no, I did not do this one. It was like that when I brought it. Then we have the brand new 2 marker lights. So yes, R4 will have both of its marker lights back, hopefully. As you can see, there's that one, and then there's that one. We also have some screws for them, and I forgot what's in this one. We also have some two gasket things and screws for these 2. So yeah, I think that's it. I'll just get the, oh shit, reverse lights. Hopefully one day we're going to get a museum. Now I'll put all of our 4-5's old parts in them. Shit, don't drop the old reverse light. But and as you can see, don't look much of a reverse light anymore now, does it, guys? Look, that's just what it would have looked like, but it would have been white. There's the aftermath. Cracked one, brand new one. Wow. The brand new one's already on there, but you get what I mean, like the... Yeah. So I'll be fitting all this back to R4, minus that. Because, yeah, I'm just going to take it up there anyway, just for references. And I'll bring it back here and keep it. These are the ones I saw. Oh, fucking hell, look at that shine. These 2 are the ones that are going to be going on. If it's not fucking raining, this rubber will hopefully be going on. I'll put the B10M manual in R4 as well, where the first aid kit is. Along with the, no, not that one, but a different one that's just coming in the post. All the school bus signs are going up, including that one. What else? This is going back on with the new first aid sign. And I'll put R5's first aid sign on, even though I don't think it ever had one. Or it could have done, but I think it'll look a bit better. I'm doing that one up as well, by the way, in case you're wondering. Yeah, which is going to take a bit of a while, because if you look at the photo, yeah, in quite a bad state. And if you guys could help me find the whole headlight lamp lenses and bulbs and stuff, and the bits which hold the bulbs, if you get what I mean, yeah, I mean, very appreciated. And also, it needs 2, just saying, as you can see, both the headlights are missing, because it was originally used as a spare parts coach of Baker's coaches, and this R4 was just sitting there doing nothing. So why not buy both of them, since they are sisters at the end of the day, keep the family together. Apart from R3, because that's obviously up in Ireland. Don't know where, but it's with deal side coaches. Might shove a picture up there or so, or wherever. Also, what was I going to say now? It's got a different license plate on, because it's actually in Ireland, not the English part of Ireland, if you get what I mean. It's actually in Ireland, like with a different number plate. It's not the British number plate. And I know it starts with 97, but that's all I know. Fuck's sake, computer, wake up. So, yeah, it's going to be quite a busy day. And obviously I'm going to clean them as well on Sunday. Or Saturday, depending on which days we go. And we're also moving yards. So, yeah, it's going to be not a fucking concrete yard. Tarmac yard. A bit like Baker's, but a lot smaller than Baker's, obviously. And yeah, it's a lot closer to the house as well, which is good. It means we get more time now. And also, tell me if these are buses or campers. Because it says they're microbuses. Yeah, if you could tell me in the comments. And these ones, obviously. I know that's a bus and that's a coach. Also, there's a one hiding there. And, yeah. Obviously, these have been locked away in the storage container. And, yeah, we just haven't found them yet. And now we found them. So I'm happy about. So, yeah, I'll just get a separate thumbnail here. And then I'll do a split screen. Yeah, I hope you like my magnet collection and all my photos. A lot still there to put up. A lot of boxes and a lot of rubbish as well. And homework probably. And some are on the door. National holidays and the roof. And also, if you didn't see in today's video, Vince's coach, my school coach, MB14MTB, have now been re-registered to the P90 MTB, which is actually the original one, the minibus, which I popped in that corner, and went for scrap this year, and I couldn't save it. R4 and 5 would have gone scrap, but I saved them, which is good. Because, number one, I've been on R4 once, Conct-to-Verney, but the Conct-to-Verney trip, which you guys wouldn't have seen, because I never filmed it, which I'm a twat for not doing so. I regret it now, not filming it. And R5 I've never been on. I might be getting another coach next year from Baker's. N521 TRU. So I'll probably pop in that corner. And that's older than my two and it's still in service. Forgot what company it was originally at. And we were originally going to get V91 JBM, V92 JBM, but another company's beat me to her. I think the one's in Scotland or something. I haven't been told what company brought it, but yeah, apparently it's in Scotland. So if I ever go up there on a bus rally, I might see them, which would be quite funny. They're obviously still here at the moment because the company's then come to pick them up. But yeah, it's good because I still get to film them at my school, Shipston High School. Yeah, I know I said my name of the school on YouTube. Who gives a damn? I put in every title of my video anyways. So you know what school I go to. So yeah. This was a bummer to find, this bloody headlight. So were these marker lights as well, minus that one, the broken one. So yeah, I think all that's time to do now. Let's get the thumbnail. There we go, and obviously I've still fucking out 10 minutes clickbait video. Yeah, it's not actually a clickbait video. It's just miraculously got up to 10 minutes. And also, thank you for 418 subscribers. And what else was I going to say? Fuck, I forgot. Bullshit, I forgot. Oh well. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching and peace out. And also guys, the other school coach I went on, not MB14, aka P90. I went on YJ11 AMO for a change, instead of YJ070WG, which is, as you guys know, the one I normally have. Best part about the 154 routes when they go over the bummer go. That is quite funny. I'm surprised they haven't flattened the rolls out yet. I might be getting a new phone this year, hopefully a Google Pixel, because I hate the new bloody update on this shit phone. Stupid Apple. Yeah, if you're watching this, get rid of your shit update. So yeah, or let me change it back. So yeah, screw you, Apple. I'm gonna give you the middle finger quick. Oh, swore on YouTube. I get demonetized now even though I don't get paid. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm a 15-year-old kid now who don't give a shit if he swears. So yeah, see my timetables in the background. I'm also buying one today. Johnson's timetable. Quick spin around like my Bakerstone peeps. Thank you, Vince, for giving that me. And I also got some high-vis jackets, which I might shove in R4 to make it look like I'm a Baker's driver. Oh, I can't wait to prank the teachers at my school. I'm going to pretend to steal the coach, even though it's mine. That'd be so funny, and blast the horn really loud. When we get it fixed. Which hopefully maybe Sunday might have a look at it. since we've done the rocks now, then there's bloody no point since we moved, but at least I can have a drive around. Yeah, Campo Anchor has a YouTube channel as well. As you guys probably know who Campo Anchor is by well. So yeah, he's like, oh no, you just can't go there. Too big. Probably jealous because they're too bigger than these Campo Anchors. Won't guess, he's not gonna bother us. And yet, I've just made it into a joke, as you can hear right now when I'm driving R4. And I like him because he's giving me challenges to get past his campers without scratching them. And I haven't yet, so that's good. It's funny because Britta went past the other day and yeah, I think that may have scratched them when they were gritting the road, which is funny. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out. I need to fart.